Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about Guy Benson, a conservative political commentator, journalist, and radio host who's become a recognizable voice on Fox News and beyond. With his rising profile, many people ask one question: is Guy Benson gay? Let's break it all down. Guy Benson is an American journalist, political editor, and radio host. Born in 1985, he's best known as the political editor of townhall.com and for his appearances as a Fox News contributor. Beyond television, Benson also co-authored the book End of Discussion, where he explores free speech, media, and political correctness in America. The curiosity around Benson's sexuality comes from the fact that he's been open about it, which is rare in conservative media circles. In 2015, while promoting his book, Benson publicly came out as gay. The announcement surprised many, since he was already well established in conservative politics, a space not always associated with LGBTQ+ openness. Is Guy Benson gay? Yes, Guy Benson is openly gay. He publicly came out in 2015 and has been very transparent about his life since then. In 2019, he married Adam Wise, who works in media consulting. The two live together in Virginia, and Benson often shares glimpses of their life on social media. While his political views sometimes spark debate, he's clear about who he is, both personally and professionally. Guy Benson has carved out a unique space for himself, a conservative commentator who's also proudly and openly gay. His story challenges stereotypes and shows that personal identity and political affiliation don't always align the way people expect. When it comes to the question, the answer is simple. Yes, Guy Benson is gay, and he's been open about it for nearly a decade.